Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making an adorable bag tag. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are glue, an old bag tag, and some felt. First, what you're going to do is take off the plastic part of the bag tag and then trace your bag tag onto felt. Make sure you include this circle in the middle, and then what we're going to do is cut this out. Now we're going to glue the felt to the bag tag and make sure it's on the side that you don't want people to see. Now what you're going to do is draw and cut out a letter or symbol or shape that you want to put on your bag tag. And make sure it's not too big where it fits on your bag tag, or else you have to redo it. Next, you're going to glue the symbol, shape, or letter that you cut out to the bag tag. Finally, all you're going to do is put the plastic back on, loop it back around, and there you go. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!